Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Renita Young, here to take you through today's market action. So let's take a look at where markets closed to end Wednesday. The S&P 500 fell 1.1%. The Dow closed 0.6% lower. The nasdaq 100 was down 2.8%, and the Russell 2000 fell 1.5%. Now taking a look at the leading and lagging sectors on the day, all 11 S&P 500 sectors ended lower, with communications, utilities, and tech down by the most. Real estate, healthcare, and financials were down by the least. Looking at some stocks on the move, Google parent Alphabet shares ended nearly 8% lower after the company unveiled its new AI chatbot, Bard. It's meant to rival ChatGPT, which Microsoft has invested heavily in. And it happened a day after Microsoft had its own AI event. Analysts say today investors were looking for more information on how Google plans to compete with ChatGPT, especially since its functionality is a direct hit on Google search. Chipotle shares closed almost 5% lower after posting worse than expected results for the fourth quarter. Earnings, revenue, and same-store sales were below expectations. Yet, analysts were bullish on the stock, likely because Chipotle says it plans to open between 255 and 285 locations this year. So as a result, several analysts raised their price targets on the stock and maintained their current bullish ratings. Uber shares closed up 5.5% after reporting higher earnings and profit. People spent more money on rides during the fourth quarter. Revenue for the quarter reached $8.6 billion. That's a nearly 50% increase from the year earlier and above analyst expectations. Uber's gross bookings, the value of transactions made on the app, increased 19% to almost $31 billion. For this quarter, Uber expects bookings of between $31 billion and $32 billion. And Disney shares closed slightly higher today and extended that rise post-market after posting earnings and revenues that beat expectations. The company also reported a more narrow streaming loss than expected. Subscribers for Disney Plus declined 1% from the prior quarter to about 162 million global users. Let's look at what to watch for tomorrow. Earnings will remain in focus with PepsiCo, AbbVie, Hilton, Philip Morris, and Ralph Lauren out pre-market. Post-market, we'll hear from PayPal, Lyft, and Expedia. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Renita Young, and remember to tune in 24/7 to TD Ameritrade Network.com.